Good afternoon, everybody. We've got rain showers moving through, some thunderstorms, a little bit of some thunder up this way, but we're not finding any severe weather, nor are we expecting any severe weather out of this system over the next 12 hours. It will stay relatively quiet in that regard, but you've got the heaviest rain up here now in eastern Park County. That's going to be around Raccoon Lake and then up into northeastern Park County. You get down here to the south, some pretty good rain as well. Southern Clay, southwestern Owen, northwestern portions of Linton, so Greene County that is. So from Jasonville up to Brazil, that's a very wet drive. It's not raining too bad in Brazil right now, but some steady and heavy rain east of 41 there in Sullivan County, scattered about to the south as well. The big picture, though, shows that there's still more back out west. We're dealing with this initial line right here, and yeah, believe it or not, you start seeing those yellows and reds. We're not reaching severe limits. It's just very, very heavy rain, but this potential exists over the next several hours because the main line, the main cold front is still out west, even yet into Missouri. So we're going to keep some scattered rain in the forecast overnight tonight into those midnight and early morning hours tomorrow. But behind it, look at Des Moines, Iowa, 31 degrees. It gets cold again. That very well may be your daytime high tomorrow, 31 degrees, while we're at 54 degrees right now. Showed this to you before the break. This is going to be our storm threat index with this hail, tornado, and flood threat out of this very, very low. Matter of fact, at the lowest scale that we can put it on. Winds, the only thing we really need to worry about. They don't reach severe level winds, which would be in excess of 58 miles per hour. We don't get there, but we are going to have some 25, 30, and 35 mile an hour wind speeds out there tonight. Here's a look at the line at about 8 o'clock. Look what happens between 8 and about 11 o'clock tonight. The reason we don't see this intensify is because even though we've got the winds, we really lose some of that heat. I mean, it's already cooling down with that initial line of rain, which at 11 o'clock will be over Ohio. Back out west where we are from that main line, this is what they're seeing in Missouri right now. That's looked to be here at about 11 o'clock tonight, and then it clears out. Well, it doesn't clear out all the way because the clouds stick around. The temperatures get cold in the mid-20s. Winds are still blowing around. It's going to be a cold and windy start to the morning tomorrow. Some snow flurries expected, but we're not anticipating any accumulating snows out of this. Just a much colder day tomorrow with temperatures again 31. I wasn't kidding. Lower 30 is going to be our daytime high tomorrow. Quick look at the wind speeds right now. Currently, our winds are anywhere from 15 to 25 miles per hour throughout the Wabash Valley. And temperatures not bad, but if you're underneath the rain, it's cooling off a little bit. 48 in Paris, 48 in Casey. Still 54 here in Terre Haute. We'll get down to 24. Scattered rain. Remember, after midnight, changing to a brief wintry mix. Snow accumulation expected. A few flurries, windy and cold for Tuesday. Completely different than today. All the way down to 12 degrees tomorrow night. There's your 7-day forecast. Got another shot of some snow here on Thursday. We'll have another front coming through. It doesn't heat up ahead of that, but it does look to give us a decent chance for some light snow amounts. Maybe some to measure there, Susie, and enough to give us a few slick spots Thursday into Friday. We'll keep our eyes on that. But the weekend, I'm looking ahead to that already. Looking dry, still cold though. High temperature about 40.